5 Daily Habits of Highly Successful People. We are all aware that habits can either help or hinder one's success in life. Bad habits can fester and grow into a lifestyle that keeps you from doing the things you want to do. Good habits, on the other hand, can help you live a life full of action and accomplishment. Now, while we can all study successful habits, it's meaningless if we don't implement that knowledge. 1. Successful people plan out their day the night before. Without planning what your day will look like, you wake up not knowing what you want to do or accomplish. Successful people spend a little time the night before giving themselves clearer goals for the next day. Life doesn't always work out as planned, but with a plan, you can adjust without losing momentum. 2. Successful people read books to get inspired. Reading is an essential element in success. Books contain so much knowledge. There isn't necessarily a defined length as to how much time you should be reading, but forming a daily reading habit will expand your knowledge and help you on your journey to success. 3. Successful people make their health a priority. What you eat and how much you exercise affects every area of your life. Successful people use their exercise as a time to reset and plan. And they make smart food choices that will give them the energy they need to accomplish everything on their daily to-do list. So, what's for dinner? Is the gym on your to-do list? Choose wisely. 4. Successful people don't get distracted by what other people are doing. Other people's journeys to success can be inspiring. You can learn so much about their mistakes, their victories, what to do, what not to do. But if you start comparing your progress to theirs, instead of using their stories as inspiration, you can feel jealous, stressed, unworthy. Successful people realize their journey is unique and can't be compared. So don't get stuck in the comparison trap, stay focused on your why. 5. Successful people live each day as if it were the last. But while planning is important, so is living, being fully present. Successful people live each day as if it were their last and make the most out of each moment, and so should you. When you look at a big goal, it's common to get frustrated at the enormity of what you're trying to accomplish. If you wake up each day determined to spend it forming good habits, you give yourself a better chance at success. So use these 5 habits as a starting place to build whatever a successful life means to you.